That always remain when you use to self-destruction. Who's the one that blame? I've known chaos all my life, so chaos what I chase. My therapist told me remorse. You got plenty love to give, but now it's time to take. You deserve the white painted walls, the flowers, and the highway. But I trade them all for the highway. Shook hands with all of my vices. So miss out for those who are quiet. Hope one day your love is required. Cause you be too nice, I be too rough. You be polite, I just be stuck. Got rid of the backpack loaded with big rocks. Cause I can frame a picture that ain't mine.
All I know is broken home since I was just a youngin'. That my hope the pain don't ever come and take me under. I'm used to the feeling on the edge, me I be alone. Oh, yeah. If you looking at my soul, it's empty. It's me, my mama, auntie. Said the money was low, you kept me. Double jigging on the road, get a check in. Then I had to be the man at 16. And the time won't stop, it's sticking. She wanna get me stable, I'm slipping. But the PTSD just kicked in. Damn.
Now you build me a house and I ran away. Hope one day you understand why I just couldn't stay. Hope I know what home is, but for now I'm homeless. Build me a house and I ran away. Hope one day you understand why I just couldn't stay. Hope I know what home is, but for now I'm
Man, I swear that she can get it, say a second every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it, say a second every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it, say a second every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it, say if you a bad chick, put your hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
Oh no, not again. I might just fill your head with lies and fuck all with friends. I didn't think I was that toxic, but shit, what do I know? I didn't have the heart to stop it, could've let you go. Wish that you would get me started. You failed to acknowledge I thought my shit regardless. And back then you was a problem, but now that's not my problem. I'm better off without you. Got my head in my hands at the red light. Living life on the edge till I hit rock bottom. Tossing and turning all night. I know that I should, but I can't stop. I can't stop. I'm trying and I try, but I can't stop. I got what you need, come get what you came for. Cutting me. If you a freak, I've been on this road a while, it's getting different lonely. I can never give you the life that you asked for. Not even my type, no wonder you insecure. Tryna intimidate me, talking about your ex, bitch. You should be grateful that I could do what's next. Apologizing, I didn't know what you expected. Life on the edge till I hit rock. Tossing and turning all night. I know that I should, but I can't stop. I can't stop. I'm trying and I try, but I can't stop. I got what you need, come get what you came for.
On your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find you some space. I could be the world to you, the missing piece, the extra sentimental kind of chemistry. Some people make it hard, with me that isn't the case. 'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call, and I fall into love. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love. The way I do my hair, the way I make it all, the way we like to share, oh, our consensual part. I could be fresh air, might be the girl of your dreams. There's no need to hide if you're into me, 'cause I'm into you quite intimately. And maybe one night could turn into three. Well, I'm down to see, 'cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call, and we'll fall into love. I'm a perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love, fall in love with me.
I'm only 10 calls away from you. She said she missed me, damn, you know I miss you too. But I can't go now. I'm sorry, babe, I'm out in Cali doing shows now. I'm doing shows now. She popped up and decided she on the floor now. Doing it and shit, different cars like it's a showdown. Socially anxiety, my mind gets sick and tired. Just kidding, I'm been gone now. So when you can get over here. She said I fuck with her, she acting like she doesn't care. That bitch so bad. She introduced me to her dad. If I get this battle, can we run away? Ain't got no time to wait. I'm screaming about everything. I'm tryna see her in a wedding ring. I'm only 10 calls away from you. She said she missed me, damn, you know I miss you too. But I can't go now. I'm sorry, babe, I'm out in Cali doing shows now.
Dime cómo es, dime qué es lo que dijiste ayer. Que me voy parce, que me voy parce, que me voy para no volver. Dime cómo es, dime qué es lo que dijiste ayer. Que me voy parce, que me voy parce, que me voy parce, que me voy para no volver. Métele boleto, eres moralito, yo soy de coquete. Te verán llorando aunque yo pantalé. Métele lentamente le bandé. Ahora pico pega Plaza Venezuela. Llama a tu pana, llama a la escuela. Mira rola brother, esto se candela.
Pa' que se lo gocen, tengo calderón pa' que retocen. Vuelo a nuevo, me siento al día en la mía, mami. Ya ando bien perfumado y la paca por si no fían sin misterio. Llénense de placer, que se acaba el mundo y no vine pa' perder. Apaguen los celulares, repórtense a sus hogares y sí que vamos a hacer maldades. Muevan su pum pum cuando yo les tire mi tusi. En la cintura traigo mi tuntum, mami, yo quiero agarrarte por el pelo, mientras te tiro mi lenguaje obsceno. Yo soy el más que tú quisieras que tu cuerpo aplaste. Con esta bambúa siempre hago desastre, no te me desguille, que tú sabes que yo hago que brille. Soy el number one, nada más monstruo que los de Thriller. Esto es para ustedes, para que se lo gocen, pa' que se lo gocen, pa' que se lo rocen. Oye, esto es para ustedes, para que se lo gocen, pa' que se lo gocen, pa' que se lo rocen. Oye,
acompáñame, yo sé que no es tu primera vez. Soy que tú original preparándote, relájate. Yo sé que no es tu primera vez. Por favor, dime que sí. Pero voy a hacerlo otra vez. Hasta que menciones mi nombre una y otra vez. Tú y yo en juntos sudando. Voy a hacerlo
esperándote. Ya no lo pienses, mujer, ven y entrégate. Es que no puedo aguantar las ganas de amarte y de besarte igual que ayer.
Yo te confieso que yo te extraño, mi vida. Eres la única mujer que sanará mis heridas. Desde que tú te fuiste, mi amor, yo no tengo vida. Y siento que yo me muero en esta triste agonía. Amor, regresa, tuyo en mi corazón. Y si en algo te he fallado, te pido perdón. Solo te pido que te pongas en mi posición y que escuches claro lo que dice mi canción.
Que si decides regresar, aquí estaré esperándote. Ya no lo pienses, mujer, ven y entrégate. Es que no puedo aguantar las ganas de amarte y de besarte igual que ayer. Amor, te extraño tanto que no sé ni qué hacer. Baby, regreso, voy a enloquecer. Va, date prisa, tú no puedes ver que yo te extraño tanto que yo no sé ni qué hacer. Si te sigo amando igual que ayer. Aunque te digo por ahí que te encuentras muy bien y no piensas en mí. Sin embargo, yo no puedo dejar de extrañarte. Te tengo que decir.
Pa' que tengas esa toca que vuelva y nazca. Son caprichosas porque no hay quien las complazca.
Why does everybody ask me if I'm Latina? Isn't it obvious?
Otra noche, otra, que yo no quiero otra noche, otra, que tú vuelvas con otra noche, otra, cuéntale, otra noche, otra.
Dominicano, colombiano, boricua, morena, dominicano, colombiano.
my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, you're gonna need to waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you need to waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, yeah, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, yeah, waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, so waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
Tryna come with the rain. Make it known, 'cause I want them to know my lady. You're my lady. Yeah, you're my lady. You're my lady. My what's going down? Babe, I don't sing this before. Baby, I think it's no. Yeah, no from standing. Don't. You're mine. Every day. Put me up down. You're my lady. Yeah, give me one color. Won't you love me? You're my girl. And so, and everybody knows that you is so cold. But I know I love me, you love me. So I love you. I can tell now that we're in love.
Just so far, I had to come get you. Take it to the light, it's dark in the back.
outside. That's why we're dancing. Look at what we lost, baby. Somewhere else, don't let me nowhere else. I got it all right here. That's why it's such a always feels brand new. There ain't nothing better now. Maybe something better now. Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing better now. Maybe something better now. Got your name, get it back to your place. I don't feel enough with your taste. Never get enough of your fragrance. If it's a slow thing, no thanks. And this is a lips and slow dance. Cause I've been holding it down. So now that you're here, you gotta stay with me, stay with me. Now I got you up to myself. Why you gotta stay with me, stay with me. I can't imagine you so far out. Like a silk, you're the soundtrack. Bring me back in focus. But London summer's bandit. Be sure as hell to find me a girl. Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing better now. Maybe something better now. Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing better now. I've been sitting on your yard, all I wanna do, all I wanna do, oh baby, oh baby, all I wanna do, all I wanna do, oh baby, oh baby, all I wanna do, all I wanna do, oh baby.
Quizás sí, quizás no, si me escribes tú. No me importa, creeré lo que digas tú. Olvidaré, yo no te he visto con él, si lo juras tú. Apriétame, mamá. Pero tú no vas a quitar para el pueblo.
Dile a la mañana que se acerca mi sueño, que lo que se espera con paciencia se logra. 9 horas a París viajé sin saberlo, y crucé por Rusia con escala en tu boca. Yo canté tu bachata aquí en Fukuoka. Tu bachata en Fukuoka. Y un atardecer pinto de canvas el cielo. Caminé la playa de Momochi, mi anhelo, y se me escapó una sonrisa del alma. Aquí me enseñó arigato gozaimasu. Yo canté tu bachata aquí en Fukuoka. Pa' bailar conmigo, pa' bailar, se me alegra la nota. Quiero cantar contigo, quiero una bachata en Fukuoka, bachata en Fukuoka. Pa' soñar contigo, en el mar las gaviotas, con tu piel de abrigo. Quiero y mi bachata en Fukuoka.
Explícame por qué razón no me miras la cara. ¿Será que no quieres que note que sigues enamorada? Tus ojos demuestran pasión y falsos sentimientos. Por el hecho de tu rechazarme mientras te mueres por dentro. Sabes bien que no puedes olvidar, ni mucho menos engañarme. Todavía no ha nacido otro hombre que pueda enamorarte. Si antes de inventarse el amor ya yo te estaba amando, ni el amor de Romeo y Julieta llegó a ser tan grande. Te voy a ser sincero y confieso, no te miento, te extraño. Y a pesar que transcurrió tanto tiempo, aún guardo tu retrato. ¿Y a dónde irá este amor? Ahorita la ilusión me pregunto a cada instante. Yo sé que yo fallé, pero tu orgullo y tu actitud me impiden recuperarte. Niegas sentir amor, ocultas la pasión y también me rechazas. Conmigo no podrás, te conozco de más, tú todavía me amas.
Fue imposible sacar tu recuerdo de mi mente. Fue imposible olvidar que algún día yo te quise.
Tanto tiempo pasó desde el día que te fuiste. Allí supe que las despedidas son muy tristes. Nunca me imaginé que un tren se llevara en su viaje aquellas ilusiones que de niños nos juramos. Todos tus sentimientos los guardaste en tu equipaje. Quisiste consolarme y me dijiste yo te amo. Desde entonces no supe qué sería de tu vida. Desde entonces no supe si algún día regresabas. Los amigos del pueblo preguntaron si volvías. Llorando de la espalda no les pude decir
ficou definido que a pessoa que se sentir prejudicada pelo excesso de barulho, seja em casa ou mesmo no seu local de trabalho, pode fazer a denúncia pelo 190, sem a necessidade de uma representação judicial.
E aí, DJ Wendel Silva, solta essa porra.
DJ Wendel Silva, pô, é o nome do homem, fez esse beat especialmente pra tu balançar.
Muitas vezes vai poder até gravar um vídeo para complementar a situação, a equipe já vai fazer o encaminhamento. O policial tem fé pública, né, e somente dele flagrar a situação ele pode realizar o encaminhamento. Esse caso da representação ainda existe para quando a equipe não flagrar a situação, né, que daí a gente não vai encaminhar se não tiver constatado o som alto.
De copão na mão, mano, balançou pra ela. 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 De copão na mão, mano, balançou.
Te chamei pra vir pra minha base. O bagulho vai ser de verdade. Nós vai foder no modo hard. Tá tudo, bota com vontade. Uma brisa sem fazer alarde. Tropa do luxo só tem menino selvagem. E fode fonte sem massagem. Falta que eles gostam que nós não tem piedade. Te chamei pra vir pra minha base. O bagulho vai ser de verdade. Vai foder no modo hard. Tá tudo, bota com vontade. Hoje eu tô com a tropa do bruxo. Sobe balançada que só tem moleque astuto. A gota quando fica escuro. Fode, coloca tudo. Hoje eu tô com a tropa do bruxo. Sobe balançada que só tem menino astuto. Quando fica escuro, fode, coloca tudo. Te chamei pra vir pra minha base. O bagulho vai ser de verdade. Nós vai foder no modo hard. Tá tudo, bota com vontade.
Deixa ela passar, não olha, nem mexe. Não olha, nem mexe.
É terrível. Ela não anda, ela desfila. Ela é top, capa de revista. É a mais, ela arrasa no look. Tira foto no espelho pra postar no Facebook. Ela não anda, ela desfila. Ela é top, capa de revista. É a mais, ela arrasa no look. Tira foto no espelho pra postar no Facebook. Onde ela chega, rouba a cena, deixa os moleque babando. Na bota do pico, arruma buchiche e as invejosas xingando. Babadeira de ofício, não gosta de compromisso. Quem canta com seu jeitinho, ela não é de ninguém, mas é chegada no lance. Quando chega no baile, ela é atração. Fica descontrolada, som do tamborzão. De vestido colorido, ela desce até o chão. Ela é terrível. Ela não anda, ela desfila. Ela é top, capa de revista. É a mais, ela arrasa no look. Tira foto no espelho pra postar no Facebook.
Deixa ela passar, deixa ela passar.
Onde ela chega, rouba a cena, deixa os moleque babando. Na bota do pico, arruma buchiche e as invejosas xingando. Babadeira de ofício, não gosta de compromisso. Quem canta com seu jeitinho, ela não é de ninguém, mas é chegada no lance. Quando chega no baile, ela é atração. Fica descontrolada, som do tamborzão. De vestido colorido, ela desce até o chão. Ela é terrível. Ela não anda, ela desfila. Ela é top, capa de revista. É a mais, ela arrasa no look. Tira foto no espelho pra postar no Facebook. Ela não anda, ela desfila. Ela é top, capa de revista. É a mais, ela arrasa no look. Tira foto no espelho pra postar no Facebook. Ela não.
environment was as an artist, politically, artistically, the whole idea about your environment was as an artist, politically, artistically, the whole idea about your environment was as an artist, politically, artistically, the whole idea about your environment was as an artist.
Show to see every time that you roll with me, holding me, trying to keep control of me nice and slowly. You know, never letting go, never messing up the flow. This is how I hook. I'm gonna take you to a place that's nice and quiet. There ain't no one better to it. Ain't got much. I just wanna take it nice and slow. Baby, tell me what you wanna do. See, I've been waiting for this for so long. Making love until the sun comes up, baby. I just wanna take it nice and slow. Baby, tell me what you wanna do. Now, baby, tell me what you wanna do. Baby, tell me what you wanna do. You don't know what it's represent for what is DJ. I'm gonna be on the whole place. Hey, DJ.
I didn't mean to end this life. I know it was alright. I can't even sleep and I can't get it out my mind. I need to get out of sight, but I end up behind bars. What started out as a simple altercation turns into a real sticky situation. Me just thinking on the time that I'm facing makes me wanna cry. 'Cause I didn't mean to hurt him. Could have been somebody's son, and I took his heart with. I
Sina